and Brandon with Aquatech Water Conditioning, and welcome to our third episode of Quality on Tap. Hopefully watch the first two episodes. If you haven't, make sure you go watch them because it's lots of good information. But no, we really enjoy doing this. If there's one thing that we value is we love to educate our customers. We love to give them information so that they can make good informed choices.
And we both love to talk.
So this is right up our alley, but it is hard for us to find time to do with it. So we're glad we're able to do this.
Yep. So like Tony said, we're talking about preventive maintenance today and how important it is for your system. If you're a customer of Aquatech, you already know that we really stress preventive maintenance, and we reach out to our customers either by mailers or emails or just reaching out that, their system is due for maintenance. It's super important to maintain that system. I've been out to houses before where the customer is told by the previous, company that no maintenance was required for their system. They don't understand why it's breaking down. Well, it's breaking down because it wasn't maintained. And sometimes they get, so beat up that they need to be replaced in a shorter time frame than it really needed to be.
Yeah. So if you think about preventative maintenance as kind of like annual doctor's check or physical or an oil change for your car, a wiper blade change.
Like today it's raining horribly out. If you don't change your wiper blades for a long time, obviously it starts to smear. You can't see clearly out of it. You should have changed them a month or two before. Same thing with your water system. If you're not maintaining it, it's going to shorten the life of that system.
Yeah. And the other thing preventative maintenance allows us to do is to actually diagnose your equipment more efficiently and effectively. If we have been out there for those routine preventative maintenance calls, then we are more able to quickly diagnose what is going on with your equipment if you're having an issue.
Yeah, and if we're not there for several years, we don't know that. So when we go there and then find out that it's not set up properly anymore, we could have been out there beforehand, adjusted it to make it more efficient, to once again help that thing run more efficiently and run longer. To get longer life out of that unit.
I just had a conversation with a customer. He lives in the country and he has quite a bit of water treatment equipment. And he was talking to one of his buddies who lived in the city who was kind of complaining about his water bill. And the guy was at first thinking, I don't have a water bill. But then he was like, wait a second. He's like, I have to do quite a bit of preventative maintenance on my equipment. But he's like, you know what? I value preventative maintenance. I want to make sure that my water is high quality, it is safe, he has a family, and he really found the value in that preventative maintenance. He actually shared that with me.
Yeah, and it's not super often. So most of our maintenance programs are yearly, every 2 years or every 4 years. So it's not like we're there every month. It's not a monthly water bill. So it's spread out over longer terms. If you have an issue before that, you give us a call. But if not, we're going to be out there checking that to make sure it's working.
Yeah. So like I said, we just wanted to share this information with you. It is certainly important to us to be able to provide you with this type of preventative maintenance because it really helps prolong that equipment. And honestly, Brandon always likes to say, we like to build partnerships with our customers. And this is part of that process, building partnership, building trust, because you know what? When you don't have water or your quality of water is not good, you don't realize it until you don't have access to it.
And like I said, we don't want you to have any interruption and having either no water or low quality. It seems like the emergency calls always happen, like I said, Friday at 4 or on the weekend. Or a holiday. We want you to be able to go to your faucet, open up, and not even think about it. By doing that preventive maintenance, that'll happen. If not, you're going to have the mishaps with the system. So we always want you to have the best quality water and not have to think about, is something going to go wrong?
Yeah. So I think that's really all we wanted to share with you about preventative maintenance. I hope this is helpful information from you. Like we said, if you're one of our customers, you're going to get a letter in the mail. And now we have new software where you might get a text message or an email, whatever way that you prefer to be communicated with. But this is important information. And we're so thankful to be able to share it with you.
Thank you, everybody.